The DistanceMaster Compact 30 by Laserliner. Pinpoint laser measurements capture lengths, areas, and volumes quickly and reliably. The compact design ensures optimum handling in everyday use. The two AAA batteries or rechargeable batteries provide a flexible power supply during everyday work. The integrated min-max function supports the reliable identification of measurement limits. The DistanceMaster Compact 30 by Laserliner. Compact, precise, and easy to use.